potential for agroforestry has not been fully realized in India. Discuss the measures to promote agroforestry. Can you all quickly think on what can be the storyline? So now you know what is the lead or the context, what is the ask, and what is the tail link. Ye pata hai aapko. In the tail link, what will you add? Government schemes. What else? Initiatives. What else? Basically around some concepts you can link with what to do. Yes. Now tell me the story of this. Agar ye likhna chahenge hum, what will be the story of this one? Generally, story is 5-6 definitions and benefit of. Dobara question padho. Potential for agroforestry has not been fully realized. Okay. Discuss the measures to promote agroforestry. Give me the storyline, Premasai. Generally, storyline is not more than 5-6 boxes. 5-6 boxes kya hoga? Watch here. Agroforestry is important. It can change India's many agriculture problems. But agroforestry not expanded properly. There are many reasons. We need to deal with the reasons and therefore the solutions. Examples of steps taken and benefits. Okay, so agroforest is important. It can change India's many aspects or many problems of agriculture. But agroforest not expanded. There are many reasons. We have to deal with the problems and come with a solution. And what can be the steps taken and maybe some benefits. So now tell me in this. So this is box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which are the parts of the introduction? Which is the body and which is the tail link conclusion? Which is the introduction? Which is the body and which is the conclusion? 1, 2, 3, introduction, okay. So where does 4 go? Where does 4 go then? Body, which is the main body. 5 is the main body. You all realize this? Ye hai main body. In my answer, okay, this I could put in a diagram. This could be the first 1 or 2 paragraph. Make sense? Now look, I can change this. See how I change the story. Government has launched many schemes in agroforestry, but not very successful. Okay. We must relook on the problems because agroforestry has great prospects. Some of the prospects are but potential not reached. Something must be done and initiatives. Ab batao, has the answer ka sequence changed now? Is this possible storyline? Government has launched many programs in agroforestry, but not successful. We must look into the problem because agroforestry has great prospects. Some of the prospects are okay, but the potential is not reached. Okay, what can we do? And the tail link. Isme, this becomes my introduction. Okay, this and this can be in a diagram form, and this could be the initial 1 or 2 paragraphs. And this is the main body. This is where I'll expand the answer. So this is, I think I identified this as one of the problems that you guys have. When you write an answer, आपके मन में ना एक coherent story नहीं होता है. You don't have a coherent story. Answer writing requires that completeness of storyline. And this is more important for optionals. I'm not very sure how much of this you can use in GS, because GS doesn't allow you for too much of this type of writing. But 2 or 3 pages mein, this is a possible storyline. So when you are able to mentally think on the storyline, that is when your answer becomes smooth. That is when you have got links between what you are saying.